This script teaches you how to create a feature lock comparison card using Photoshop custom shapes, ideal for showing free versus premium options. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a medium rectangular canvas. Select the custom shape tool and draw two equal rounded rectangle shapes side by side. Set one to a lighter tone for free features and the other to a stronger color for premium features. Add a small lock icon shape on the premium side to visually reinforce access restriction. Use the Type tool to list short features inside each card, keeping alignment clean. Slightly scale up the premium card to draw attention. Duplicate both cards, place them behind, darken them slightly, and offset for depth. Zoom out. The comparison now clearly communicates value and difference.